Alright, so I'm out in the shop where I'm going to go over something that we're working on today. We're doing hankies today. So basically hankies are bandanas, but instead of 22 inch by 22 inch, they're 14 inch by 14 inch. So I want you to take a look down here. So here is let me get this out of your way here. Here is a forest green hanky. This is a 14 inch by 14 inch hanky. This is what it looks like before we put it through our machine. And when we're done using discharge printing, it comes out looking like this. It's a repeating pattern. So what we did here was we actually removed the pigment and dye from the bandana and left these little X's. So these little X's here are the original color of that forest green hanky. We just removed all the print around it. You can see the company has their logo in there. So in addition to doing bandanas at 22 inch by 22 inch, we can also do all over print hankies here at AMBRO Manufacturing.